So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer a question: why did an option order get rejected? And here are 5 possible reasons why that might have happened. So we often get questions from our members, and they're frustrated because sometimes they place an option order and their broker might reject the order for some reason, and they don't know why. So here are 5 possible reasons why your broker might reject your option order. The first is not enough money. So it might sound intuitive, but sometimes people do not understand the risk that's associated with the trade that they're making, and they think they're making a defined risk trade when it turns out they're making an undefined risk trade, or they're just toggling in too many contracts and they didn't recognize it. But many times the first line of defense is just the fact that you don't have enough money or enough trading capital in your account to make the trade. So double check that you're position sizing accordingly and you have enough cash in your account. Number 2 is not the right approval level. So this is probably the second most common thing that happens with brokers, is that you try to make a trade and you just don't have the right approval level to make that trade in the market. So again, you want to make sure that you've got the highest options trading approval level possible, even if you don't plan on making undefined risk, naked option selling strategies part of your portfolio. You still want to have the ability to do those types of trades so that you can adjust and hedge and manage your portfolio as needed. Number 3 is trading naked contracts in an IRA. So if you are trading in an IRA, retirement account, Roth account, SEP IRA, 401k, etc., and you have the ability to trade options, you most likely have to trade those options in a risk-defined manner, which means no short call option selling, no short put option selling, no straddles, no strangles. You can do all of these synthetics of these positions, iron butterflies, iron condors, credit spreads, etc., but you have to be trading risk-defined positions. So sometimes if you place an order in an IRA and it creates or is going to result in a naked position of some kind, then the order will get rejected. Number 4 is inaccurate price. So I see this a lot actually when people send me screenshots of their orders that get rejected and they just have inaccurate prices. Sometimes they are putting in extra numbers in their pricing and they're not just using the regular standard pricing of 2 decimal points in many option contracts. I've seen people that place an order instead of for 15 cents, 15.1, and that's just an inaccurate price. So again, it's little things like this that can kind of throw it off, but usually if you double check your order before you send it in, you should be okay. Number 5 is pattern day trading. So if you did place a lot of orders in the same day and you repeatedly get into and out of the same option contract on the same day, you might be tagged as a pattern day trader, which just means that you need to have a little bit more capital in your account before you can continue to do those day trading activities. And so if you get tagged as a pattern day trader and you just didn't know it, that might be another reason why your order gets rejected. The brokers want to make sure that you have the ability and have the capital in your account to handle pattern day trading or day trading activities. So they might reject an order until we let those trades clear for a day. And then the next day you have the ability to start making new trades. So again, these are 5 possible reasons. I think the 5 most common reasons why your order might get rejected. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.